What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing the creek. I have a different frog tied on and I'm going to be trying that out and see if I can get anything to come up, but we'll see if we can make it happen. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm going to be starting off with this frog. It's kind of like a popper action. I've tried other frogs here and I've gotten blow ups, but this is a little different, something I'm more used to. So we'll see if we can get something to come up on this. Time check is currently 6:49 in the morning, so we'll see if we can get a bite on this. Alright guys, so I tried that spot for a little bit, did not work out. I'm gonna go to the lake. It's still pretty early in the morning. I really want to catch a fish on a frog. This spot is pretty good for topwater, so we'll see how that goes. We'll see y'all there. Alright guys, so I've made it to the next spot. Water seems pretty good. Once again, I'm going to be starting off with this frog. Yeah, the water seems like glass calm, so let's see if we can get a bite. It's still currently 7:38 in the morning, so the topwater bite should still be on. We'll see if we can finally catch a fish on a frog. See, like I just saw a fish bust over there. See if I can get him to come up. Ooh, I saw a fish bust over there. Right there. Another fish bust over there. We'll do one more cast here and then we'll fish more around the docks. Oh my god guys, did we get him? No guys, we didn't get him. Wow, my heart dropped. I set the hook way too early. Way too early guys. That fish is basically coming out of the water. Holy crap, I don't know how I got that. Look at it, look at it. That's a bass. It's like a 4-pound bass trying to eat a shad or something. That is crazy. I never see that. It's so weird. Now I see what happened. There's a bluegill right here that bass was trying to eat. Look at this. This is crazy. Oh, he's still alive. There he goes. He was on the shore. That bass was trying to eat him. Alright, let's keep fishing. Alright guys, so I've switched up to this natural colored, kind of like a cinco, but it's a lunker log. I'm seeing a lot of bass roaming along the edge, shallow water. So I'm going to try this natural color out. The water's pretty clear. So we'll try this natural color out and see if we can get a bite. There we go guys, second cast in. Wow, not a bad one too. Literally second cast guys. Holy crap. Come on buddy, stay pinned. Not a bad one guys. That's like a 2-3 pounder guys. Holy crap. Second cast in. Man, that is crazy. Go ahead and get a release on this girl. There she goes. That was my second cast in guys. Wow. That was crazy. I've been fishing for about an hour, 2 hours. There's another one guys. Not a bad one. Another nice fish guys. This bait is killing it. Oh, he's fighting hard. Real hard. Come on, you ready? Another like 2 pounder, 1.5 pounds, 2 pounder. He's actually been hooked before. Fish number 2 guys, not a bad one. Go ahead and get a release on her. Alright, let's fall in real quick. There she goes. Back into the depths. Alright everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. Not a bad day. I caught 2 fish in total. I was about to stop fishing, but I decided to switch up. I caught 2 nice fish. Not a bad day. I tried the frog out for 2 to 3 hours and I got 1 blow up. So hopefully next time when I'm on my kayak, we can finally land that frog fish. Until then, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.